Kentwood, Michigan, 10:34.72. Fourth, Matthew Euland from Buxton in Maine, 10:02.27. Bronze medalist Peter Littlefield from Sydney in Maine, 9:29.32. Silver for Benjamin Cates from Lisbon Falls, Maine, not Michigan as I earlier told you, 7:47.57. And your New Balance Outdoor National Champion from Far Texas, 7:43.14, Geraldo Flores. Well done, guys. And now, Stephen, they're going to dance. Should be fun.
Hit it.
Come on, go! We could all do with a good laugh. Oh, they're warming up now. All right, just wait till the pole vault girls come. They'll rock the scene. Well done, guys. Let's go back upstairs to Ron Lepresti, or first, I think it's David Mitchell.